Maxim 36. Even after falling into mud, a jewel retains its costliness and dust, although it may rise into the sky as contemptible as before. Capacity without education is deplorable, and education without capacity is thrown away. Ashes are of high origin because the nature of fire is superior. But as they have no value of their own, they are similar to earth, and the price of sugar arises not from the cane, but from its own quality. Well, jewels get damaged, but yeah, something's unknown and unappreciated, then, but if you're aware of where it is and all that, if you're aware of where it is or how to get it or whatever, then, the land of Canaan, having no natural excellence, the birth of a prophet therein could not enhance its worth. Display thy virtue, if thou hast any, not thy origin. The rose is the offspring of thorns, and Abraham of Azar.